us today, sir. For our seventh speaker for this topic, I'm honored to introduce this woman because of excellence in teaching. She graduated in San Beda College as magna cum laude, known as a great woman in the Philippines because of her bestseller book. As of now, she is the president of the University of Santa Tomas. Let us all welcome her with a big round of applause, Dr. Jenny V. Adviano. Thank you, Mr. Now I'm going to continue the topic multicultural education. According to Moses' definition of multicultural education, multiculturalism, multiculturalism is not simply a new methodology which can be crafted out of educational programs. Sinasabi dito na hindi lang methodology or principle for doing or methods na pwedeng isama. Na pwede natin isama yun sa educational program. Kasi multicultural, hindi naman sa school lang ako or sa, hindi naman sa school. Pwede rin kasing yung behavior na mga-adopt ay manggagaling sa mga community, tulad sa mga family members. Next, is a reflection of a value system which emphasizes acceptance of behavioral differences deriving from different cultural systems and an active support of right of such differences exist. Ito, nakatuon sa pagkakaiba ng pag-ugali, tradisyon, at saka mga paniniwala. Dahil lang sa pagkakaiba-iba ng pinagmulan at saka pinagmulatan, na syempre, bakit, for example, African American ka, syempre, kailangan proud ka sa sarili mo na African American ka, na kahit na gawin yung kulay mo, proud ka. The three primary goals of multicultural education are number one, to teach children to respect others' culture and values as well as their own. Sabi nga, kapag nire-respeto mo daw yung kultura ng ibang tao, nire-respeto mo na rin yung sarili mo. Next, to help all children learn to function successfully in a multiracial society. Dito, tinutulungan mo yung mga estudyante na maging at least sa mundo ginagalaw niya. Kahit ba yung may mga bumabatikos, kasi nga, syempre, ayun, syempre yung may mga bumabatikos. Kaya dapat, ipagmalaki pa rin yung kung sa mga nagmula. Kasi sa future naman, hindi successful ka eh. Kapag pinagmalaki kung ano ka talaga. Number three, to develop a positive self-concept in those children who are most affected by racism children of color. At ito naman, positibong pagtingin sa isang tao, lalo kung nakikita yung tingin niya. Kasi for example, may team siya. May team isang mga estudyante. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin ko na nagagawa siya ng isang normally. Next. Goals of multicultural education will affect the social change. Here are the three steps for transformation. The first one is the transformation of self. As an educator, I have the dual responsibility to engage in a critical and continual process to examine how my socializations and biases inform my teaching and thus affect the educational experiences of my students. Dito kasi, nakakagusto sa educator. Bale, bilang isang educator, dapat walang hinihilingan or hindi ka bias na Porque iba yung kulay niya, or pangit siya, maganda siya, mayaman siya, or mahirap siya. Dapat wala kang pinihilingan or wala kang favoritism. Next, the transformation of schools and multicultural education calls for a critical examination of all aspects of schooling. Aspects of multicultural schools transformation include the following. Yung una, student-centered pedagogy. Yung pedagogy, it means, science of teaching or way of teaching. First, the experiences of students must be brought to the fore in the classroom, making learning active, interactive, relevant, and engaging. At iba tayo kapag, wala elementary, at grade 3, tas grade 3 to grade 4, di ba meron na tayong mga natutunan bago pa natin mapuntahan yung grade 4, na pwede natin gamitin yung mga natutunan natin ngayon sa, dun sa, pagiging grade 4 na. Yun nga yung nadadala sa eskwela or bago ka man pumasok sa eskwelahan. Next is yung traditional teaching approaches and pedagogical models must be deconstructed to examine how they contribute to and support institutional system of oppression. Dito naman, dito yung traditional teaching. Example, yung dati kasi, di ba, traditional teaching is, meron ka naman di ba, minsan na mamalo, yung pinaka-traditional teaching yung mga dati pang mga teachers. Pero ngayon kasi, bale, pinag-aaralan kasi nila, yung mga experts, pinag-aaralan nila na i-assess mabuti. Kasi nga, yung pamamalo na yun, malaki yung magiging epekto niya sa yung pula sa psychological, emotional, tsaka yung iba pa sa pagtutulong sa mga estudyante. Pangatlo, non-oppressive practices like tracking, even if informal, to fake schools and critical the exam. Dito, dapat matutunan mo malaman ng estudyante yung mga karahasan o kalupitan ng mga nagaganap para aware lang sila at para alam nila kung paano nila paano sila makaka-adapt or paano nila matutulungan yung sarili nila na maka-overcome yung mga ganang sitwasyon. All aspects of teaching and learning in school must be focused on and are dedicated to the student themselves, instead of standardized test scores and school rankings. Dito kasi dapat yung aspect of teaching nakapokus talaga sa estudyante. Pero instead dun sa test scores lang, sa school rankings, dapat pinagtutunan din yung critical thinking nila or the way they answer questions. Hindi lang about sa test scores lang. Kasi nga, minsan hindi naman ganun ka-accurate yung test scores sa school rankings. Minsan nagdadaya sa scores. Next, emphasis should be placed on critical thinking, learning skills, and deep social awareness, as well as facts and figures. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina na, kailangan ng focus din sa critical thinking, learning skills, and deep social awareness. Hindi lang sa test scores ng score ranking isang estudyante. Last, pedagogy must provide all students with opportunity to reach their potential as learners. Dapat yung rate ng pagtuturo ng isang guro, natutulungan yung mga estudyante niya na malaman kung ano mga ba yung mga kailan nila. Multicultural curriculum. Una, all curriculum must be analyzed for accuracy and completeness. Next, all subjects must be presented from diverse perspectives. This is related to accuracy and completeness. Next, inclusive curriculum also needs